Hi, Science Rockstars. This video is about getting started in using Google Sheets, which is a spreadsheet program, to make a graph of your design lab data. Some of you, we've already had this discussion in class about why Google Sheets matters and why you need to learn to use it. It turns out in the real world, nobody turns in hand plotted graphs anymore. If you have a business report, you don't get out graph paper and number 1 to 20 on the x axis and the y axis and start plotting how much money your company made. Everyone uses spreadsheets to make graphs, and everyone uses computer-based graphs in the real world. And hand graphing is really important. It really builds your number skills, which is why we ask you to do it for so many years. But at some point, we have to prepare you for adulthood. And that's what using Google Sheets helps with. So, a couple simple terms in Google Sheets. This is a cell. This cell is called A1. This one is B1, C1. This cell is A2. This cell is B2, blah, blah, blah. And another feature, because we're just doing setup today, that we're going to be using is this wrap text feature. So printing, some different sig fig and percent kind of tricks here, font size, normal text color kind of stuff. Box colors, this gives you the borders to make it look like a nice table. This is left alignment, right alignment, or centering it. Right, so here's where you can make things centered, which usually looks really nice. And this is, if you have boxes that get kind of tall, you can make it centered in the middle. And this is called wrapping. So Google will just let you, and all spreadsheet programs will let you just continue to type way longer than this box is big. So I'm going to come here to this box, to this cell, right? And I'm going to type in all spreadsheet programs will let you type way longer than the cell is wide. So at this point, I've gone all the way into F1. And when I hit enter, it looks like my stuff is here. If I come to C1 and type it again, all spreadsheet programs let you type. It looks like what I typed in the first place, that went all the way to F1, disappeared. This issue is a wrapping issue. So what you do to fix this issue is you click on the cell where you want to see all the text and you choose text wrapping. Click on cell you want to see all the text and change it from go across, which is called overflow, to like wrap. Make it fit in here. The other thing you can do is clip. I've never in my life clipped, so don't worry about it. Generally, it's overflow and wrapping. So, one really nice thing about spreadsheets is you can actually apply it to the whole spreadsheet. If you come here between A and 1, you see where I am? It's not A1, that's here. I'm between A and 1. It selects all of the cells, and I can make all of the cells wrap, right? This also means, like, if I want to make a larger font, 10 is pretty tiny. If I want to make all of the fonts 14, I can do it all at once. So if you go between A and 1, that lets you select your whole spreadsheet. So some basic spreadsheet tricks. Let's talk now about how to make your data table. This section